Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share a powerful tool that's perfect for content creators, businesses, and anyone looking to elevate their video production. With advanced features like URL to video conversion, face swapping, content translation, and background removal, this tool makes creating stunning and professional videos easier than ever. Let me introduce you to VidAU AI, the ultimate solution for transforming your video creation process. Stick around to see how it works and check out the link in the description to explore all its amazing features. Let's dive in. Simply click on Login. Here you need to sign up your account and log in, alright. And there we go. We are on the main screen. And here there are some popular tools they offer. You can create URL link to video, product to video, video avatar, face swap, and background remover. With this tool, you can actually create AI-generated avatar videos for your content or for your advertising, business, even others. You can also check out these templates, demo cases.
Say goodbye to your old skincare routine.
You can directly use them as your template for your videos, alright? On side, we have some options. You can create AI face swap videos, AI avatars for your content creation. URL to video means you can enter your product link to generate amazing video. They can also support e-commerce sites like Amazon, Shopify, and others. You can upload manually or can generate videos. You can create your product to video by adding your product name, logo, description data. Alright, let's start with video face swap. With this tool, you can actually be able to swap face in the video. Here, simply upload video file, which you want to swap face. Right, here the face analysis process started. And here we go, as you can see, so this is the video I uploaded. And the face gets detected. Now here we need to add face to swap. Here, as you can see, I already uploaded a face. And there are pre-built faces as well. So simply you can select the face you want to swap. You can add more faces from your PC, so that you can do these things. So select the face you want to swap. On top we have model setting. You can enhance the face model to high quality, or if it's already good, then leave it to default. Alright, you can also set face mask regions if you want to make any changes. Okay, now simply select Make Preview. Here you can see the preview gets created. Same, you can also see the previews of other faces. Here I will add another face for next video, alright? Now simply click on Generate. Here, credits can be utilized based. It depends upon your video length. Confirm. It takes a bit more time to render. You will be notified by mail. Alright, in the same way I create another face swap video. Simply add the face. Preview and generate. It takes time. You can view this progress in my Content section tab. Once the video gets processed, simply download the video. And here is the output. Now let's head over to AI Avatar section. You can create instant avatar based on the still motion in Avatar Studio. You can create your own avatar by uploading your video file. Or there are some recommended avatars over here. So select the avatar you want. The aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Select your language. Here you can add your script, or you can copy paste your text here. Simply, I will copy the generated text from GPT. Alright, now generate avatar video. And there we go. This is our script. Here you can set the voice.
The years teach much which the day.
Our distrust is very expensive.
We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the inner spirit.
Okay, this one sounds great, by the way. Alright, now let's go to subtitles. Here you can actually generate auto subtitles, and there are a lot of options. Simply enable it. Set the position of the subtitle in the video. Also adjust the size you want. You can set different font styles. Okay, let's select this one. Set font color you want. Set the alignment position of the subtitle. Here there are some font templates. You can customize based on you want, alright. On the top we have animations. Here there are different transitions, text effects you can set to the subtitles. This is actually very useful for those who create shorts, TikTok videos. This one actually good. And here there is an add icon. You can add text, add images, video, background music, and also product image. Here I want to add a background video. Add video from library. This is office background video. Confirm. Now adjust the video to frame. Now select avatar. Bring to front. Adjust the position. Now it's perfect. Here you can change to another avatar if you want. Okay, let me choose this one.
Hello, everyone. I'm Chol.
All right now, here I will add background music. You can also add images. It also comes with some pre-built images. Select the image you want, add to video. All right, guys, it's time to render this video. Simply select render. Confirm. In the same way, I will also create another AI avatar video, so have a look. This is definitely a good choice for your content creation with this AI avatar video editing. It takes a bit more time to render. Once everything is done, simply go to my content section. You can download video or you share video to your social platforms. So simply download the video. And here is the output.
Hello, everyone. I'm Chol. A programmer named Alex spent days fixing a tricky bug in the software. Finally, after much effort, Alex proudly told the manager, "I fixed the bug causing all the issues." The manager asked, "How did you do it?" Alex replied, "I realized the problem was in the code written by someone who never tests anything." The manager said, "But Alex, you wrote that code." Alex grinned. "Well, I guess I just debugged my..."
Why did the AI go to art school? Because it wanted to improve its drawgorithms. After a few classes, it started creating such beautiful art that even the humans were impressed. One day, a student asked the AI, "What's your secret?" The AI replied, "I just follow my neural instincts."
And that's a wrap on our look at VidAU AI. I hope you've seen how this powerful tool can transform your video creation process. Whether you're a content creator, a business, or just looking to enhance your visual content. With features like URL to video conversion, face swapping, and background removal, VidAU AI truly makes video production a breeze. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to explore all the amazing features and start creating stunning videos effortlessly. Also check out these plans. You can actually use it for free but with limited credits. And there are some monthly and yearly plans. Starting from $16 monthly plan and yearly basis with up to 20% offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.